Forgot to add a collaborator on Instagram? In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add collaborator on Instagram after posting. First, launch your Instagram app. Now navigate to your profile page. Now select the post where you want to add a collaborator. Once the post is open, tap three dots in the top right corner and choose edit. Now look at the bottom left area of the post where you will see the option tag people or tag icon with a plus sign. Tap on it. You'll now see two options, tag people and invite collaborator. Select invite collaborator, then search and choose the username of the person or brand you want to add. After selecting them, tap done and then tap done again to confirm. Instagram will send them a collaboration invite, and once they accept, their name will appear as a co-author on the post, and the post will show up on both of your profiles. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.